SOLIDWORKS 2022 has lots of new features for all SOLIDWORKS users. Let's take a look at some of the new capabilities right now. Oftentimes, graphics indicate part of the design language of the model being shown. And it's important that everyone sees the latest graphic information when they open a model. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2022, regardless of how you open an assembly model, you're going to see that the graphics will update automatically. So no longer will we be seeing out-of-date graphics when we open up an assembly in Lightweight, for example. If we take a look at this knob, we want to show that there's a neural texture to it. We've always been able to just throw a 2D texture on there to show this graphically. But we have added a few years ago the ability to create a 3D mesh texture from that 2D graphic. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2022, we've enhanced that functionality greatly so that A, it's more accurate to the pattern underlying that we're using, and more importantly, B, it's much faster, so you're not taking a big performance hit when you're going to use this functionality. This model is ready to go, can be 3D printed for a prototype right away. Cosmetic Threads have been enhanced in SOLIDWORKS 2022 in the fact that they're a decal, so they show the underlying color of the part, and these apply everywhere, so that whether you're doing a standard cosmetic thread or you're using a hole wizard hole or the new stud wizard, you're going to see that new cosmetic thread showing automatically. Finally, performance can always be improved, and in SOLIDWORKS 2022, when you're working with your model with the silhouette edges turned on, something I personally do quite a lot, you will see that the performance has been enhanced by about 10%. So there you have it. And those are just some of the new capabilities waiting for you in SOLIDWORKS 2022. To learn more, contact GSC today.